Okay, hello there. This is me recording, and I'm just gonna talk about the video. This was recorded November 9, 2020. After 2 days of blizzards, we had too much snow, as you can see. This is the driveway, and it's full of snow. So, ito November 9. So, it was snowing Saturday and Sunday, November 7 and 8. So, ito na yung result ng blizzard. Yan. Ang dami mga na-stuck na cars. The snow was about 4 feet, I think, or 3 to 4 feet in other places. Kasi sobrang lakas talaga ng snow. Sobrang daming snow. So, ayan. Naglalakad na kami pabalik. Okay. Buti na lang walang... at ito, neighbor na na-stuck sa snow.
Stay here for a sec, okay?
Kasi, the advice was, if you don't have anywhere important to go, just stay indoors. Don't leave the house. Pero may mga pasaway pa rin na gustong lumabas. Ayan, stuck tuloy. Ayan si Sean, trying to help. Push, push, push. Anong nangyayari? Stuck. So, ganting scenario ng November 9, dami mga na-stuck sa parking area. Hindi sila makalabas or hindi sila makapark. So, yan. Tutulong-tulungan. At ito si Sam. He's watching. Niya, oh, it's a car! Gusto niya makisali, pero hindi naman pwede. So, curious what's going on. Ayan.
People are getting stuck somewhere.
Sam is bored.
Oh, no.
Actually, it wasn't too cold this day. So, parang mga negative 9, parang ganon. So, parang okay lang na lumabas.
Yeah, maybe.
Hindi naman siya malamig. Marami lang talagang snow. Si Sam gusto pumunta.
He wants to go check out the car.
Sabi ni daddy niya, ipapasok na lang daw siya uli.
Yeah. He thinks he's a superhero.
Back inside.
Let's go.
Ayan. Mga bushes, puro snow.
Okay.
At ito yung extra parking lot. Ito kami ni Sam. Nagpa-play sa snow. Wee! Up, down. Ang bigat na ni Sam. Poink! Ayan. Hello everyone! I'm Samuel. Hello!
Yeah, you're in trouble, hon.
Kick!
Look, I'm Donald Trump.
Ayan. Snow
Mom
angel
did not think
kunyari.
this through.
I'm a snow angel! Kunyari.
Come on,
Snow
hon.
angel. Hirap gumalaw. Malalim ang snow.
Oops, I missed
Actually,
that.
mas malalim na siya the next day.
Okay, I think we should
Okay,
go now.
yeah.
Medyo malamig kasi wala akong mitts.
Okay,
Hindi ako
let's
nagsuot
go.
ng mittens.
I gotta give you this though, hon.
So, my hands were freezing.
You can. Yeah. Nope.
Action! Ayan, si Sam playing with Dada.
Wash the spider out. Keep walking.
Samuel ay kumakanta ng Itsy Bitsy.
I'm gonna throw snow at him.
Ayan na siya. Nag-play sa snow. Ang Samuel.
And do your Donald Trump impression.
Again?
Yeah. Action. Ayan si Sean. Pretending to be a turtle. I'm a turtle.
Good job.
Ayan si Sam. Tumatakas.
Oh, he got some on his face.
Try mag-crawl out somewhere. Tapos snowy up here. Ang aking paa. Ako yung naka-wear ng ski pants. Tsaka boots. No, I'm not gonna stay too long, please.
Here, you come up.
Daming snow! Snotties!
Is that better?
Good job, Sam.
Okay.
Medyo malalim
What
na
should we
siya.
do?
1 feet yata ito.
We'll lay him on his back.
May parking
Ready?
lot.
You become snow angel.
1, 2.
Boink!
Boing, snow angel.
Enjoy naman siya sa snow. Enjoy!
Freeze, brother.
Enjoy naman si Sam Sam sa snow. Again, nagko-crawl na. Escaping. Kasi medyo mahirap maglakad-lakad sa snow. Malalim.
Hello.
Yan ba? More videos of Sam Sam? Playing in the snow?
Snows. Bing. Snows.
Yan, nakasuot siya ng kanyang winter outfit.
My hands are cold already.
Oh, really?
I don't know how cold it is.
Whoops.
Or how thermal that suit is for his hands.
Yeah, it's probably not.
Si daddy niya, nag-snow angel kunyari.
Your hands cold?
Ngayon si Sam, nag-iisip.
You okay, son?
Nag-iisip ang Sam Sam. Anong gagawin na?
It's time to sing. He's just staring. Call to daddy. Go.
Nagkakarol na naman siya sa snow.
Uh-oh.
Gimbal's going crazy.
Dito kami sa harap ng ano namin. Actually, yung nakita yung parang may rails yan. That's our condo unit. Nasa labas lang kami. Ganyan karaming snow.
Look at how much snow we had.
Sam-sam, bilis! Ayaw pa yatang umuwi this time.
Sam, look. Here, oh.
Biggest pile here.
Whee! Boo. Snow. Sam, look. Wee. Woo. Wee. Oh, hands are cold.
3 minutes. Are you sure you're coming?
Batuan ng snow.
Hot hands.
Anong gagawin? Ano na?
Yeah, let's go.
Yan, ito yung around the parking, the walkway. The parking area, yung mga snow na nakapile. Ang daming snow.
Whoa!
Yan, I'm just walking. Yan, nakita nyo yung first parang balcony on the right. Sa ground floor yung aming condo unit. That's our condo unit.
You already got a minor.
Okay, now this video clip is from November 10. So ito mas marami na talagang snow.
It's just like easy.
Mas malalim na
through
dyan,
it,
like mga 3 feet.
Boom!
Wink! Mulubog si Sean. Buwang! Hinahabol si Sam Sam dahil tumatakas. Yeah, nahuli na siya. And that's it. This is winter. Bye-bye!